Sanibonani bafundi, namhlanje sizobheka amagama esiwasebenzisa nsuku zonke. We are going to look at everyday vocabulary. Okay? Sizoqala ngamagama esiwasebenzisa ekilasini. We're starting with the words that we use in the classroom. Okay. Uma siseklasini-ke sisebenzisa la magama. When we are in the classroom, we use these words. Uthisha is an educator or a teacher. Umfundi is a scholar. Ipeni, it's a pen. Iraba, eraser. Ipensele, pencil. Ibhuku, book. Isikhwama, bag. Idesiki, desk. Isitulo, chair. Ibhodi, board. Irula, ruler. Umlolo, sharpener. Amakhilayoni, crayons. Isikelo, scissors. Izibalo, it's sums or mathematics. Isayensi, science. Ulimi, language. IsiZulu remains isiZulu. IsiNgisi is English. Isibhunu, Afrikaans. Umlando, it's history. Alright, let's look at some of the pictures. Nansi iraba. Okay, this is an eraser. Iraba. Ngibona iraba. I see a rubber or I see an eraser. Ngibona irula. I see a ruler. Ngibona isikhwama. I see a bag. Ngibona ibhodi. I see a board. Ngibona ipeni. I see a pen. Ngibona ipensele. I see a pencil. Ngibona abafundi. I see scholars. Ngibona uthisha. I see a teacher. Okay. Then we move on to the second topic. Izenzo zaseklasini, classroom verbs. Okay, these are the verbs that we mostly use in the classroom. Fundisa, teach. Uthisha uyafundisa. The teacher is teaching. Funda is to read, study, or learn. Ngifunda indaba. I'm reading a story. Cabanga, think. Ngicabanga ukuhamba. I'm thinking of going. Pela, spell. Pela la magama. Spell these words. Nikeza, give. Nginikeze ibhuku lakho. Give me your book. Sika, cut. Sika amaphepha, cut papers. Dlala, play. Ngidlala nabangani bami. I'm playing with my friends. Bhekisisa, observe. Okay, if you get a question that says bhekisisa, it means you must observe or you must look carefully. Cula, sing. Ngithanda ukucula. I love singing. Bhala, write. I love writing. Ngithanda ukubhala. Bala, calculate. And there is bala, count. Bala ugcine eshumini. Count up to 10. Vula, open. Vula umnyango. Open the door. Vala, close. Vala umnyango, close the door. Sukuma, stand up. Okay? Hlala phansi, sit down. Khipha, take out. Khipha ibhuku lakho, take out your book. Upende, paint. Ukupenda, painting. Ngisebenzisa upende, I'm using paint. Tshengisa, show. Okay. Ngitshengise umsebenzi wakho, show me your work. Chaza, explain. Buza, ask. Humusha, translate. Humusha lo mubuzo, translate this question.